What's up, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video, we're going to be going through some fixes for Watch Dogs Legion when you get the bad module error. This can pop up sometimes randomly during gameplay, and it most commonly happens on gaming laptops or computers with an integrated graphics card, such as an Intel iGPU or AMD iGPU built into the CPU. If that sounds confusing, don't worry too much, we'll find out in the next couple of steps if this will help you or not. While this video is mainly targeted at those, you may still find some use following these steps. So first of all, restart your computer and see if that fixes the issue while playing the game. Obviously, you've probably already tried that. Don't worry, we'll continue to the next step. So first of all, open up the device manager by pressing start and typing in device. After opening it up, we'll simply make sure to expand the display adapters section over here, and if you're using an Intel GPU with an iGPU built into it, you'll see Intel HD something or other. Simply right-click on it and then click Disable Device, but only do this if you're using your dedicated graphics card as well and it's working properly inside of your laptop or device. If you restart your computer, this should be re-enabled. Otherwise, if you see a black screen when restarting your PC, simply hold the power button down, restart it again. If it's still black, hold it down, restart again, and eventually you should get to the Windows repair screen. Boot up into safe mode, open up the device manager once again, and make sure to re-enable that if it hasn't automatically re-enabled itself. I don't know if you'll need to go that far, maybe just a simple reboot will re-enable it. But at least as far as I know, disabling this will make sure that the game absolutely has to use your dedicated graphics card inside of your portable gaming device. Then, before we go ahead and start up our game, press start and type in graphic. We'll click on graphics settings and this window here will pop up. If you see Watch Dogs Legion on the list with high performance selected, then great. You don't need to do anything here other than making sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on, as this can give you better latency and performance. However, if Watch Dogs Legion isn't on this list, as such, simply make sure that you have desktop app selected and then click browse. Navigate to where the game is installed. For me, it's in E Games Ubisoft Watch Dogs Legion, but it may be in C Program Files 86 Ubisoft or Epic Games. Open up the bin folder and simply locate watchdogslegion.exe. Double click on it and it'll be added to the list. Click the Options button after selecting it and choose High Performance, then Save. This will make sure that it launches up with our high performance dedicated graphics card instead of our integrated one. Then on top of this, to make absolutely sure that it does work, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, right-click your desktop and head across to NVIDIA Control Panel. Then head across to the Manage 3D Settings section on the left and then Program Settings. From the drop-down over here, simply make sure to locate Watch Dogs Legion. If you don't find Watch Dogs Legion, click the Add button and select it from the recently used program list. If you don't see it here, click Browse, navigate to the exe that we selected before, double-click on it, and then hit Add Selected Program when it's on the list. Then we see all of the graphics options for our NVIDIA graphics card that relate to the game. If you're using a device with an integrated and dedicated graphics card, you should see a block of text up here right before this big block of settings saying what graphics card would you like it to launch on. Simply choose High Performance or NVIDIA graphics card, whatever you have there that isn't your integrated graphics card. After doing that, try launch up the game and see if things work properly. However, if you're still crashing out, make sure that your graphics drivers are up to date. If you've already done that, open up the installer once again, or download it and open it up if you've deleted it, and when you get the option to, make sure to click Clean Install. This will make sure to wipe all of the cached data and saved settings that could be causing issues with the game. After hitting OK and waiting for the installation to complete, your graphics settings should be mostly reset, the caches should be cleared, and things should be working a bit better than before. Hopefully your game's working. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found some use in it. My name's been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!